Hey traders, welcome back to another daily profit and loss recap video. Today is Thursday, November 16th. I just finished up trading for the morning and I took a loss of $232 on the one single trade that I placed today. So stay tuned for this video. We're going to talk about my entry and my exit in this trade and talk about my overall thought process so that hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and help to improve your own trading. Now real quick, I just want to take a brief look at the scanner stream here. This is live streamed to our team of traders in the Market Master group every single day. But what you'll notice here in the top percent gainers is that for the most part, there are kind of just a few exceptions that have big volume, but overall these top percent gainers are trading on very thin volume. For example, we have ATGL trading only 184,000 shares, RMCO only 33,000 shares. We have a few stocks in here trading a couple 100,000 shares, another 31,000 shares, 10,000 shares. So, that being said, overall today, the price action and the volume is just not quite there. That's why I ended up just trading one single stock. And there's a very important lesson in here that we're going to talk about here in just a minute. So make sure to stay tuned. All right, now with all of that being said, let's take a quick look here at the opening range breakout levels from the Market Master group. We had some stocks that were gapping up with decent volume, of course, in pre-market. Those were APLM, WAVD, BBLG, ADN, and DRMA. DRMA is the stock I ended up trading. This had an opening range breakout level of just about 89 cents per share. So if we go ahead and just draw that level, this is going to be the high of this candle here, which happens to also be right at the VWAP. We can see that we do, of course, end up getting a nice little breakout above that level. But it just didn't have the follow through that I was hoping for, and I was buying into this breakout. I had an average cost of just under 90 cents per share on 5,000 shares, pushes up to a high of about 97 cents and then rejects straight back down. So obviously hindsight is 2020. This ended up being a false breakout. I would have liked to have locked in profits up into this move here, but I was looking for a push closer to $1 per share. And then ideally, this would have gotten a breakout above 1 and pushed up closer towards those pre-market highs of $1.20. But that didn't happen. So once we started to see this reject straight back down, I sold a portion of my shares here just to reduce the overall risk of this trade once it was cracking underneath the VWAP. I held on to a small portion of those shares just to see if it was going to be able to reclaim the VWAP and reclaim that breakout level, but it never did. So once it turned the VWAP and the breakout level back into resistance here, I was starting to sell out of the rest of my shares on this trade. So it ended up being a relatively small loss, just $232. And if you've seen my recent profit and loss recap videos, you can see that this is pretty small when compared to some of my recent winning trades. But the lesson here is that it is very easy to take a small loss and to try to force another trade to try to recoup the loss from that first trade. So I'm recording this video only 30 minutes after the market opened just to kind of hold myself accountable that this is what my profit and loss is looking like today. I'm taking my small loss and I'm moving on because the price action in the market is just not there. And if I stick around and I try to find another trade setup, there may be some solid trade setups, but odds are I'm going to end up forcing a trade that just isn't worth taking. And a lot of times that's just going to lead to more losses for the day. So with that being said, I want to give a quick shout out to Kane in the Market Master group. He locked in $260 on this trade with DRMA, took an entry at 88 cents and then locked in his profits at 96 cents. So he handled this trade much better than I did. He was locking in profits up into that breakout. And because of that, he was able to walk away with a profitable day just from this one single trade. So with all of that being said, I know this was a very quick video, but that was my only trading for the day. I'm going to just kind of watch the scanners and post some trade setups in the Market Master group, but I'm probably not going to be doing any more trading for the day. So hopefully you found some value in this video and you learned something from my own trading. That is, after all, the goal of these videos. And if you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to hear about these stocks that I'm trading in real time and you want to work with our team of traders, get access to our day trade and swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and so on and so forth. All of that can be found in the Market Master group. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to get signed up. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.